Good morning or good afternoon. Hope you're staying safe. My name is Zahraa Isa and welcome to my presentation. It's never too late to fall in love is a quote by two powerful Bahraini women that has a vision to open a world of possibilities to match people together. Months ago, Iman Hussein and Iman Sharif worked with Vitek Solutions to develop a matchmaking application to help highly professional and educated individuals to find their ideal marriage partner. They started to match making people in their real life. They even started using forms to keep track of singles details for them to matchmake easily. In na9eebi websites, the two imams mention that their mission is to help women who are busy to find their soulmates through a safe platform. The objective of na9eebi project is to allow like-minded people to connect with each other through the app that is for GCC nationalities and residents. Future objectives that has not been completed yet are subscriptions, where user will have to subscribe to a plan in the application to use its feature. Next is Markaz na9eebi, where user can be exclusive to each other. And finally, unblock a user that has been blocked previously. na9eebi was developed for both iOS and Android. This project demonstrates the Android development that has been achieved by using Kotlin, which has the first-class support for Android since 2017. It is a modern language that is easy to learn, support Java virtual machine with a big community of developers. na9eebi work with HTTP requests that is working with the Laravel database API as a back end. When the app fetches the data from the API, they are saved in the local device using Realm, which is Real Mobile Database. It is an open source service-less database that saves the data in the mobile so the app does not have to connect to the API every time and fetch the data from the internet. Technologies that would achieve the same work are Java and Flutter. Java has always been the first choice for Android development. It has excellent performance and supported by Java libraries for Android. But that has changed and Kotlin is now has the support for Android for so many reasons, such as it has null safety, which make development easier and faster. While Flutter is a cross-platform that has modern features, but na9eebi Android is being developed for native platform, while Flutter is best for cross-platforms. The most two important designs modeling are class and use case diagram. The class diagram describes classes, attributes, and relationships between them. The user class is made from a bunch of classes which are avatar, appearance, lifestyle, and more. User class what makes the whole application. When users first register, they should add their details and preferences, and the system will log their data and show a list of matches. An user can connect with these matches and also chat with them with other features that are explained using a use case diagram. The use case diagram has four main systems: registration, match, profile, and subscription, which you will see more detailed in the demo in next slide. When the app first launches, the registry page will appear and user can register with their phone number, and then an OTP will be sent to them. As this is on staging, the OTP will be 4 zeros. The user now can register their personal data. And the birthday. Where they are from, where they live, and then a summary page of their data will be shown. When the user first registers, they have to create an avatar, which includes a lot of process, just like choosing the preferred face shape, skin tone, and much more that I have already done to make the process much faster. Their first login, they will see a list of matches, and the first will be marked as ideal. To view a match profile, you click on it, and you can connect with them, dislike, block them, or save their profile. Connect by clicking the connect button, and a request will be sent. Dislike them by clicking on the Not For Me button, and a form will pop up to ask why you don't like this profile. Block and report will send a block request to the API and remove the user from the match list. And you can save their profile by clicking on Save Profile. In the main page, you can search matches by their first name and view their profile. You can also filter based on zodiac signs. For example, Oda is a Capricorn. And you can view a list of articles and read them from the browser. You can also view your activity by clicking on the bell icon on top. The first tab will show all the user activity. The second tab will show all the user is connected with. And the third tab will show the saved profile. In the chat section, user can view all their list of chats and chat with other users. The chats that are blurry are either blocked user, disliked user, or deactivated accounts. In the chat room, user can reply to a message or react to it. Also, they can part ways with the user or block and report the contact. In the profile section, user can change their avatar and edit their profile. For example, change I'm from, say, Australia, and I live in Bahrain. And save. And if you click on the edit profile, you will see the changes. The user can add photos and remove them. They can change their appearance. They can change their lifestyle preferences. They can change their cultural values. They can change their career income. They can change their personality. And they can do the same exactly for the match preferences. They can change the appearance they like. They can change their preferences such as lifestyle, cultural values, career income, and more. And in the setting page, user can show their photos to the user or not by clicking on the switch button. They can view their subscription details, but the other functions such as change plan and cancel subscriptions are not yet implemented. And finally, the user can log out and deactivate their account. Now that the demo has finished, let's talk about challenges. To begin with, designing to have a responsive user interface can be hard, as the developer has to work to design for different screen sizes. But with work and practice, this can be achieved. Next, I have struggled in doing the edit residency and nationality in the edit profile section because I have to fetch the data from the API to another list of countries and connect between them. Unfortunately, a team member had to finish this task for me. Another challenge that I have faced is filtering. At first, I wanted the user to have a dialog that disappears after choosing the filtering, but I had to go with another approach because of the time limit. It does achieve the wanted features. To conclude, future work that can be achieved are creating a web portal where admin can add articles for users to read, because currently articles are hard-coded in the application. Second, the ability for users to add a profile picture instead of an avatar. Third is subscriptions plan that will be achieved in phase 2 of the application along with the mark as na9eebi. Finally, I will talk about the employability skills. I have worked on 3 live projects that are na9eebi, SpringRing, and B4BH, and an app that is still in development, which is Little Miracles by Shireen. This placement has taught me how to communicate better with my colleagues and how to plan my work and learn a lot about the development, as I have no previous knowledge about Kotlin, which was the most of application developed with. Thank you for your listening.